What is the process for introducing evidence in courtroom procedures? Imagine stepping into a courtroom where every detail matters, and the truth is unveiled through a meticulous process. The introduction of evidence is a critical component of legal proceedings, guiding the jury and judge in making informed decisions. Understanding this process can illuminate the complexities of the judicial system. The journey of evidence begins with its collection and preparation. Before any evidence can be presented in court, it must be relevant, reliable, and admissible according to the rules of evidence. This means that the evidence must pertain directly to the case at hand and must be obtained through lawful means. Once the evidence is gathered, it is essential to organize it properly, ensuring that it is clearly labeled and documented to maintain its integrity. Next, the party wishing to introduce the evidence must lay a foundation. This involves providing the court with the necessary background information to establish the evidence's relevance and authenticity. For instance, if a document is being introduced, the party must demonstrate how it was created, who created it, and how it relates to the case. This step is crucial, as it helps the judge determine whether the evidence meets the legal standards for admissibility. Once the foundation is laid, the attorney will formally present the evidence to the court. This is typically done during the trial, where the attorney will request permission from the judge to introduce the evidence. The opposing party has the right to object to the introduction of the evidence, citing reasons such as irrelevance or lack of authenticity. The judge will then make a ruling on the objection, deciding whether the evidence can be admitted. If the evidence is admitted, it can be presented to the jury. This may involve showing physical evidence, such as photographs or objects, or reading from documents. Witnesses may also be called to testify about the evidence, providing additional context and clarification. Their testimony can help the jury understand the significance of the evidence and how it supports the claims being made. Throughout this process, the rules of evidence play a vital role in ensuring fairness and justice. These rules are designed to prevent misleading or prejudicial information from influencing the jury's decision. By adhering to these guidelines, the courtroom maintains its integrity, allowing for a fair examination of the facts. In summary, the process for introducing evidence in courtroom procedures is a structured and essential aspect of the legal system. It requires careful preparation, a solid foundation, and adherence to established rules to ensure that justice is served. Understanding this process not only highlights the importance of evidence in legal proceedings, but also underscores the commitment to fairness within the judicial system.